This puzzle book currently contains 8 geometry math 2D puzzles using a compact 4 puzzles per page layout on an 8 by 10 inch page size. Puzzle Book Studio automatically assembles both puzzle pages and matching solution pages into the same book workflow. You can use the mouse wheel to zoom in and inspect puzzle details more closely while reviewing the assembled pages. Clicking a puzzle on the page automatically selects that puzzle inside the Puzzle Properties panel. You can customize individual puzzle titles directly inside Puzzle Book Studio without regenerating the puzzle content. After rebuilding the book, the updated preview immediately reflects the new puzzle title and layout changes. In the next scenes, we'll customize the overall book appearance and styling.
Open Book Settings to customize the overall layout and formatting of the puzzle book. The Trim Size and Margins section controls the physical page format and spacing used throughout the puzzle book. For this example, we changed the trim size from 8 by 10 inches to the larger 8.5 by 11 inch format. Mirror margins create different inner and outer margins for facing pages, which is especially useful for printed puzzle books. After updating the layout settings, close the settings window to return to Puzzle Book Studio. Rebuild the puzzle book to apply the updated trim size and margin settings to all assembled pages. The rebuilt preview now uses the updated page format and mirrored margins, creating a more spacious and professional-looking puzzle book layout.
Open Book Settings again and select the Page Numbering section to customize how page numbers appear throughout the puzzle book. Enable page numbering to automatically add page numbers to all assembled puzzle book pages. You can control both the position and spacing of the page numbers to better match the puzzle book layout. The template field lets you customize how the page numbers are displayed, for example, by adding labels such as page before the page number. After closing the settings window and rebuilding the book, the updated page numbers appear throughout the assembled puzzle book preview.
Puzzle Area Settings. Control how puzzles are positioned and spaced throughout the puzzle book pages. You can align puzzles horizontally and vertically to create different page compositions and spacing styles. Adjusting title height and padding helps create cleaner spacing and improves readability throughout the book. The Title Settings section controls how puzzle titles and numbering are generated throughout the puzzle book. Smart Titles automatically combine puzzle numbering with the custom titles stored inside each individual puzzle. After rebuilding the book, the updated preview reflects the new puzzle positioning, spacing, and smart title formatting throughout the assembled pages.
After adjusting the puzzle layout and titles, we can also customize the typography used throughout the puzzle book. Puzzle book typography includes separate typography settings for puzzle titles, solution titles, descriptions, word lists, and page numbers. Clicking a typography preview opens the font editor for that section of the puzzle book. The font editor lets you customize font family, alignment, letter case, and relative font size. As you change the typography settings, the live preview immediately updates to show how the new font styling will appear. Use puzzle title. Font helps keep typography consistent across multiple sections of the puzzle book while reducing repetitive formatting work. After rebuilding the book, the updated typography is applied throughout the assembled puzzle pages, creating a cleaner and more professional puzzle book layout.